I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Search and select Action SuiteDash. Give here your public ID and secret key. So please visit SuiteDash public ID and secret key. Copy the public ID and paste it here. Add secret key. Give here a meaningful name. Copy the secret key, save it, and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Choose a role. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the SuiteDash site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the SuiteDash site. Thanks for watching.